Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, today I stand before you to revive the memory of a day when courage, unity, and patriotism stood as a guardian of our beloved country. 6 September 1965, Defense Day of Pakistan Independence. On that battle morning, Pakistan was challenged. Tanks rolled across our borders, but our people stood firm, not with their weapons alone, but with the resolve in their hearts. Fathers and mothers by the border, hands raised in prayer. Children mustering courage in schools and playgrounds. Our soldiers holding the line, heartbeat by heartbeat. By the grace of Allah, they repelled the invaders with valor and faith. Let us remember the valor of heroes like Major Raja Aziz Bhatti, who despite being severely wounded, held his position and inspired his men until his last breath. His bravery earned him the ultimate honor, the Nishan-e-Haidar. And brave flight, Lieutenant M.M. Alam, who is one of the most spectacular dogfights in history. He shut down 5 enemy aircraft in just 30 seconds. The skies remember his name. We remember his courage. The brave may die, but never yelled. The sacrifice gave us life. Their valor gave us a homeland. Their sacrifices remind us that defense isn't only on the battlefront. It lies in how we study, how we speak, how we honor our country in our daily actions. Every honest deed, every kind word for Pakistan. That is how we continue their legacy. So today, on 6th September, let us pledge we will uphold the honor of our nation with truth, with hard work, and with undying loyalty. Because defending Pakistan doesn't end with the battle; it begins with our hearts. Pakistan, Zindabad.